Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Force 2. Force बहुत ही force के साथ शुरू होती है. 3 unexplained, gruesome, mysterious deaths in the first 3 minutes, and I'm all like, yes, क्या pace set करी है फिल्म की यार, मजेदार. एसीपी यशवंत की बीवी 5 साल पहले मर गई, तब से उसकी सटक गई है. So he feels no pain and his one-point agenda is to maim, injure and at times straight up kill bad guys.
5 साल पहले मेरी बीवी मर गई थी, तब से मैं सटक गया हूँ.
He gets assigned to a new case in Budapest where he has to find the one guy who has infiltrated Indian intelligence and somehow is supplying raw agents के details to the Chinese. His boss on the mission is KK, who is to the point and determined as the movie begins, but quickly unravels, which is what happens to the movie also.
Diligence, homework, preparation. ये raw के काम करने का तरीका है.
In one scene, KK, a super senior raw agent, is seen crying, not because of some deep-rooted trauma in her past or grievous injury, but because she failed to locate a GPS chip during a telephonic interrogation. She's literally, openly sobbing. The first half of the film kept me hooked. I genuinely wanted to know कि ये ताहिर राज भसीन's character शिव शर्मा कौन है, इसकी deal क्या है, does he know all raw agents, why does he want to kill them? But I was also routinely distracted by the ridiculously simple dialogue. When the head of Raw is having a meeting with all highly trained agents and making broad statements like ये हमारे Raw को कमजोर करने के लिए किया गया है. Duh. आप शक्ल से इंटर्न तो लगते नहीं सर, फिर इंटर्न जैसी बातें क्यों कर रहे हो? This is a universe where raw agents communicate with each other about location of safe houses over email. And a cop realizes that these can be tracked and hacked and lead to a not so safe house situation. Na matlab, how are you supposed to take a movie seriously where a man being interrogated in the nude for extremely serious crimes has his genitalia not obstructed from audience view by the objects in the room, but real life sims like pixels? You've lost me when you start looking like this. Also, this scene is immediately followed by the line, तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रही हो. Lol. The villain here is different from what we are used to. He's conniving, sharp, preempts every move made by the opposition. But when the chase sequences begin, I don't quite hate him enough yet. He doesn't seem villainy enough, which is why the repeated chase sequences, although shot and executed with absolute finesse, don't really feel necessary. But आप style देखो, हैं? इतना भागे मतलब कंटिन्यूअस लूप में रनिंग यार, स्पेशली थ्रू आउट द सेकंड हाफ. आपकी तो बर्न होगी ना कैलोरीज, मैंने तो खा लिया 2 समोसे बोरियत में, उसका क्या? कौन देगा जवाब है? At one point, a traitor accused of crimes against the nation is being transported from a lockup to the airport without any additional security. One driver, 2 officers in one car, which could well be an Uber. हिंदी मूवीज नहीं देखी आपने? आपका प्लान गलत है, प्लानिंग गलत है आपका. The action bits, like I said, are very, very slick. At one point in the climax, the camera moves like real-life Counter-Strike. Point of view shots of John Abraham kicking some serious butt are mazedar. But that is overshadowed by other scenes, where a girl says in Hungarian, let's have sex, and the subtitles say in Hindi, aao sex kare. I'm not making this up. On a scale of 1 to 10, Force 2 is 75 गुंडे प्रति सेकंड की रेट से एसीपी मर्डर कर रहा है सबका. That too in Budapest, Saryam. Imagine how many viral mobile phone videos that could potentially be. These highly incompetent gunmen just keep showing up literally everywhere. Of course, no one even manages to injure our hero because Hindi film. I show up every week right here. Subscribe and you will know. Pakka.